Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 22. A Late Walk. The street lamps glowed as I stepped outside, cool air brushing my cheeks like whispers. Houses slept. Windows dark except for a flicker here and there, and the quiet stretched between the trees and sidewalks. I walked slowly, boots crunching on fallen leaves, thinking of nothing and everything at once. A dog barked in the distance, a train moaned faintly, and I felt the pulse of the town in small, hidden rhythms. The wind stirred, carrying scents of wood smoke and damp earth, reminding me that life goes on while we pause. I lingered near the creek, watching water shimmer under the dim light, feeling a calm settle in my chest. By the time I returned home, stars peeking above, I carried the town's hush inside me, a soft gift of evening and a reminder that even ordinary streets can hold quiet wonders if we wander long enough. Now listen to the poem. Street lamps glow in evening's hush, cool air whispers, leaves gently crush. Houses sleep, lights flicker low, quiet stretches soft and slow. Dog barks, train moans in distance faint. Town breathes hidden rhythms quaint. Wood smoke, damp earth scent the air, moments pause with thoughtful care. Creek shimmers under dim light. Evening calm holds chest tight. Stars appear as I return. Town's hush a soft gift to learn. Ordinary streets, wonders small, found by those who wander all.